Happy Thursday. All right, less than, greater than, or equal. I've added a 0 so that I can compare each place value. I've got, well, first we start over here. The 4s are the same. It's not going to help us. The 3/10 is the same. It's not going to help us. 600ths versus 000ths. This one is greater. So again, you start with the place value furthest left, and you compare those first. I have a 7 and a 6 automatically. I know this one is going to be greater. I have a 2 and a 2, the same. Then I look at the 10ths place. I have a 2 and a 9, so this one is bigger. Here I have a 6 and a 6, the same. I compare the 4/10 to the 5/10, and 5/10 is larger. So I have greater, greater, less, and less. Number 2, difference. Okay, guys, it's important that you know what these words mean. This is a vocabulary word for minus. So I'm going to take 31,678 minus 28,995. It's not just saying what's different about them. It's saying find the difference. So that means subtract. Okay, I've got 3. I can't do that. So I go and regroup. I take 100. Now I have 17 minus 9 is 8. 5 minus 9, can't do. Regroup, take 1,000. Now I can do it. Put my comma. 0 minus 8, can't do it. Take a 10,000. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So 2,683. Okay. Sum. Again, a vocabulary word you should know. That means to add. I'm going to do this one quickly. Sorry. All right. Make sure you're lining up. Regroup. Regroup. 8. Mine's a little messy because I'm trying to hold the phone, but make sure that you're regrouping or you're lining them up when you do this. That's 18 and 5. 587,840. Okay. You guys agree? I could have made a mistake because I did it quickly, so let me know. I think I skipped one, but here we go. Missing digit. This is 14. Regroup the 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 and 10 is 20. Regroup the 2. Now, 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus 3 more is 13. How do I go from 13 to a 0 here? Well, really, I'm going from 13 to 20 because the 2 would be up here. I'd have to add 7 more. 13 plus 7 is 20. And let's just keep going and double check. That would be 10, 18, and 2, 3, 4, 5. So it was a 7 as the missing digit. Okay, I skipped this one. There are possible answers to this. You could say 13,501, 13,525. You could say 13,500 and anything could be here and here. No matter what you put here and here, the 500 is going to tell the 3 to go up to a 4. 5 or more, raise the score. No matter what you put here, actually it does matter what you put here because you couldn't put anything greater than a 4. Okay, so it'd have to be 4 or less here because 4 or less, let it rest. All right, so here's some possible answers. There are plenty more. 1,701 would round to this and to that to the thousands. You could have a 6 here because it would 6 or more raise the score. It would raise to a 2,000. But also this has to be larger in order for the 6 to go up to a 7. This would have to be bigger than a 5 or larger. Okay, so here's just some possible answers.